If you have interest to work remotely, or you are someone who is looking for something to do right now, I know that you have been watching a lot of remote job and you have been watching a lot of tutorial on how to magically make that money. I know it's not easy, but if you understand this tutorial I'm going to teach you today, you will know that making money remotely is very easy. Let's start. It's not something that is difficult. I just want you to understand some certain keywords. The reason why making it remotely or working with Fiverr, people per hour, or any other freelancing platform that you know is quite difficult for you. I'm going to use this Fiverr platform to set example and to make you understand the reason why it's difficult. So if you know about Fiverr, I believe setting an account or creating an account is not something that is hard, or having a dashboard is not something that is hard. Or if you believe having an account is something that is difficult for you, what you need to do, just comment on the comment section. Tell me to post another video on step-by-step tutorial on how to create or set a gig, and I'm going to do that. So let me show you the reason why I created this video today. I just thought of it today. I said let me just do something about it so that you get to understand the reason why you are not getting hired, the reason why you are not getting job, the reason why everything is difficult and it's hard for you. It's not something that is hard. It's very easy. I've been doing it repeatedly. I have more than 3 accounts on Fiverr, but I don't need to show you all my accounts on Fiverr because it's not something that is good to do. So I want to show you something here. Go to this profile. Like now I'm telling them I want to become a seller. I want to become a seller. So I want to sell my gig out. That's what I'm telling them. I'm becoming a seller now. Coming here, you're going to fill a profile here. This is not the reason why I'm creating this account today. If I click this create your profile, I'm going to create a profile to become what? A freelancer. That is, automatically I will become a freelancer if I create my profile. Even if you look up here, you see that become a freelancer, a Fiverr freelancer, grow a global business from your talents and expertise. So let me go back to show you the main reason why I created this video and the reason why you're not getting gigs. But if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this video mainly is for those who are already on Fiverr. This pattern of video I created today is for those who are already on Fiverr, and if you want to start working remotely using Fiverr as a freelancer, you can comment on the comment section and I'm going to do a full tutorial step-by-step for you to understand. Okay, let me use these people as example. Let me see, what is your interest? Like, do you want to be a logo designer or you want to be a programmer? Before I will set my example for you guys to see. If you are here, don't rush to leave, because all this video I'm making, nobody is going to give you a genuine video like this. So just wait and pay attention. Okay, I'm clicking a logo designer now. Really logo designer. Let's see. Now I'm inside logo designer. All these people you are seeing, they are logo designers. Some are online and some are offline. And imagine if I'm someone looking for a logo designer, who will I choose? I will choose someone with 5-star rate, someone with review of 56 orders already, and I'm seeing someone of 4.9 star rate and is having 353 review already. That is order review. The reason why they are getting much order is because they already have a review. Even though you decided to create your account right now and put that account to $1, let me tell you the truth, you are not going to get an order, because there are a lot of people that are here that they have built a lot of trust for people to hire them, and nobody care about the amount of money you are putting. That's why you are seeing someone still doing the same logo design at the rate of $130. Some are doing it at the rate of $30. Some are doing it at the rate of $40. Some are doing it $45. It's still logo design. It's not like those ones that are doing at the rate of $130 are better than those who are doing at the rate of $25. No, they are not better than them. It's just the review they have already. You can see this one is doing at the rate of $95. Imagine. So this is what you need to do. It's not hard. If you just create an account today, even if you look very well, you'll see that some have 39 other review already. 39 other review. Some have 56 other review. It's easy for you to get all this review. It's very easy for you to get all this review, but this is how you are going to do it. Just create a new account. Since you are setting the price order yourself, create a new account, set that price order at the rate of 0.5 or $0.1. Nobody is going to penalize you for that. Then you create a new account, or use someone device or phone to create a new account. After creating a new account with someone device, this is what you will do. You use those device to order your own gig. Give yourself a review. Imagine if you order yourself like 30 times using one particular device. They are still going to record those orders. They are not going to record it per one person. They are going to record it 30 orders here. 30 order review will be showing here, and your rating will go up. I don't know if you're understanding me. Your rating will go up. It's something that is very, very easy. When you do that repeatedly, you order yourself, you withdraw the money, and start again using different account, but don't keep using the same account. Use different accounts to order yourself within the space, within a minimum amount of $10 to $15, $20. You can do that for yourself, and you can have up to 100 and something review and start getting order. Very easy. This work for all freelancing platform, be it people per hour, be it Upwork, be it this Fiverr, be it freelancing.com. It work for them. I know those who are doing it already. If they watch this video, they will be very, very angry with me for making this kind of video, but I don't care. I just love when you are getting it right. If you love what I do in this channel, subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification button to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you.